Hello there, it is Selena here, and it is going on 11 p.m. Central Time. I am just getting out of work, coming from the jail, dealing with the inmates. The day was not that bad. However, I wanted to get this video out because I did a short prior discussing 3 reasons why affiliate marketing works. And so in this video, I'm going to talk about the 3 reasons why when you're setting out for passive income, other streams of income, affiliate marketing is one of the routes to go. With affiliate marketing, you have to just stay steady. You have to stay the pace. But once you get going, once you get your niche, once you get your email marketing down and you just continue it on a continuous basis, you will see the rewards. So if you've thought about affiliate marketing, you've been on the fence about affiliate marketing, wasn't quite sure if affiliate marketing is for you, this video is for you. The first reason why affiliate marketing works is because you don't have to have your own website. You don't have to worry about trying to find somebody to build your website, how you're going to build the website, where you're going to come up with the money, the web design, all of that stuff. You do not have to worry about any of the websites. So don't even worry about it. Don't think about it. If that was one of your anxieties or just one of your concerns with affiliate marketing of how am I going to push that out there? I don't even have a website. I don't even know where to begin. Don't even worry about it, because with affiliate marketing, your website comes with your digital product. Number 2, you don't have to be techie with this. You don't need any technical experience. There is tech support available. Pretty much what it is that you are doing, you're going to put the digital product in front of your audience that whose problem that you are willing to solve. You're going to put that out there. After that, the rest is up to the customer. The customer deals with the customer service issues. The customer deals with all the other stuff. As far as the text and the clicks and the buttons and how this goes here, you will not have to worry about that. All of those tech concerns are already in play. You should have a very supportive team that's willing to answer any questions that you may have. When it comes to affiliate marketing, they have the website ready, all the technical support, all the technical things that goes with it has already been done. Number 3, you don't have to have your own product. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you are looking and searching for a reputable product within your niche. If your niche is relationships, then you're going to find a dating one-on-one, how to talk to a woman, how to talk to a man, what you say on the first date. If relationships and dating is your niche, when you find that digital product, you are just putting that product out there in front of the audience who don't know how to talk to a man, who don't know how to talk to a woman, who gets jitters when it comes to dating. So you don't have to come with your own program. If you do come with your own program, there is affiliate marketing systems that you could put in place where you could put your product, within the website, build your system, get it out there in front of your audience. But if you don't have a product, don't worry about it. Because with affiliate marketing, it comes with the website, all the tech experience. You don't have to have that. It's already done for you. You have a community that is willing to help you. And number 3, you do not have to have your own product. And I should have said 4 reasons, because I'm going to add 4 to where it is, I guess I could say cheap, however way. I mean, you're going to spend some form of money. However, it is affordable. Now, the program that I am under is called Home Business Academy. Home Business Academy has it all. They have a program for financial literacy. If you want to get more of a financial IQ, they have that available. They have a premium program where every week, every day they have a mastermind. Every day they have a Q&A. Every Monday you can come with your bridge page, your capture page, any questions that you have. They will break it down for you. They will answer the questions for you. They don't want you to leave feeling stuck, feeling confused, and feeling overwhelmed, because that is the rut that can become if you go in there, you don't know what you're doing, you feel like you don't have help, and you just feel like you're just tossed out there. Some programs have you feeling like that, but with the Home Business Academy, they do not. It's $25. It shows you step by step how to build your capture page, which is your opt-in page. It's already set up. You're just going to attach whatever domain it is that you have. You're going to attach it to that. Your capture page is going to capture your audience, get their email. From there, you can build your email list from that capture page. Once they opt in and say, hey, yeah, I want that 30-day work plan, or yeah, I want that 101 ways to skin a cat or get a guy, or whatever that is. After it goes to your capture page, then it's going to go to a bridge page. The bridge page is going to explain further the product, what it is that your audience is going to get from the product, and the benefit of the product. And that's it. That's pretty much what affiliate marketing is. You're kind of like a behind the scenes commercial where you see people on the commercial advertising the cereal. Some of them people don't even eat the cereal. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, you do want to represent a brand and a product that you believe in. You don't just want to pick any old thing and just put it out there. You want something that you also believe in and that you can take wherever you go and tell whoever about this product and how that product can solve your problem. But once you do the capture page, you start to build your email list. That's where the money starts to come, because not everybody is going to respond to your capture page or to your bridge page, the sale page, right away. So you may have to send this email today. Thanks for opting in. Here's your free offer. And then maybe the next day they may open it and they still might not. Most times it'll take about 7 times, they say, for someone to opt in to purchase your product. However, the good thing is you can always stay in contact through email with your audience, with that individual. But like I say, once you get the capture page, it goes into the bridge page. After the bridge page, they hit for the sales page, and everything else is up to the founders and the creators of that program. If they have any questions about the program, if they have any complaints about the program, if they have any inquiry at all, it goes directly to the owners. And that's another good thing, because you don't want to have to be on the phone dealing with customers about a product when there is someone else that could do it for you. So if you really have not considered affiliate marketing, or you feel like affiliate marketing just seems to involve too much, affiliate marketing is really one of the ways to bringing in passive income and also adding on to multiple streams of income. And if you do it right, you do it consistently with the goal of being job free, affiliate marketing can also do that for you. So if you've been looking for another way to bring in income, to bring in passive income, something that's affordable, where you don't have to build your own website, you don't have to have all the tech experience involved, and you don't have to sell your own product right now, then affiliate marketing is the way to go. And one good thing about the Home Business Academy that really drove me is their mission. Their mission is to feed starving families, to feed starving children. So your proceeds that you put in towards this, and that your audience, your target market puts in towards this, you are also feeding a family. You're also feeding a child. So that is another awesome thing that I love about this affiliate program. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, want to learn more about affiliate marketing, down in the description below is going to be a Freedom Launchpad opportunity to get involved. It's only $25. You can get started. If you just want to learn more about a 30-day work plan, because the whole goal when it comes to affiliate marketing, they look at it as a 30-minute workday, meaning when you get up in the morning and you go to your home office, the only thing that you're looking at is emails, building content, and getting your video out there, whatever means of traffic that you choose, whether it is TikTok, Etsy, whatever form or way that you could get your content and you can get your product out there. That's just the way to go. So, Selena Wilson here. Please like, share, subscribe, keep the algorithms going. I hope everyone had a wonderful day, a beautiful day today on this Saturday, December 10th, and get some rest. I'm going to go in here, get with my family, and just love on my family and have a good night. So success is now. The time is now. It's time to begin to think again, believe again, get in the mindset of winning, legacy building. That's what it's all about. Legacy building, having something for our children, having something for our children's children. If you don't have no children, just being able to leave something behind, building and having something, and affiliate marketing is the way to go. Once again, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Peace